Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Misconception Monday. The big misconception I want to talk about today is that you have to be an elite, you have to be special, you have to have a lot of money, perfect credit to be a real estate investor. This is far, far, far from the truth. When I started investing in real estate, I had bad credit and no money. I had just received a major pay cut at my job, and I was able to eventually end up invested in over 4,000 apartment units. You can start from anywhere. Is it tougher? Absolutely. If somebody walks in and they've already got 50 grand, oh my gosh, they can go out and buy 2 or 3 houses immediately. It's easier if you have money. It's easier if you have credit. But don't let that hold you back. If you're sitting there going, I got a little money, but I got bad credit, or I've got no money, I've got good credit, there are ways to move forward towards your financial goals with real estate either way. Do not let the idea that you have to be someone special or elite or have a perfect credit or have a lot of money. Anybody can do this from any financial position. That's Misconception Monday. Thanks for watching.